Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to join a meeting on the Webex Meet application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then go to your homepage by clicking on the first icon down below, Home. Now tap on the join icon down below, and as you can see, if you are invited to a personal room, you can enter the host's username or URL to join. So type it in or paste it in if you have copied it from somewhere, and then press the button join in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will be able to start your meeting. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.